Hello everyone, welcome to Network Stream. Today we would like to see how to send messages in Bulk SMS portal. First, create a CSV file. Press window button and type Excel. You will see new Excel here, something like this. Then here just you write number, name, amount or rupees, whatever it may be, and year. And in the number column, first you need to enter numbers. So once you have this Excel sheet created with new Excel, click on file, save as, and just you give your location, and I am giving desktop. So just I am giving test, and the format will be CSV. So .csv file and save. You cannot save this add-in, choose different name. 1 second. Then use one more, what is .csv, and save. Actually I have another file with test as a name, so I am making it as test12 and save. So my file is test12.csv. So the CSV is created. My CSV is created on desktop. So once you open this, you will see the same data. This is how you create CSV file. And the second step is to pay amount to Network Stream. Open browser, open internet browser, either Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever it may be, and type sree services.networkstream.in. So maybe 1 second. So once you enter sreeservices.networkstream.in, you will see this page. In this page, just you scan it and pay the amount and send a screenshot to 9703858329 or 9703858729. And then just we are going to give your user IDs, and passwords will go to your Gmail IDs, whatever you given to us in the Excel sheet. So once you have user ID and password, you log in. Once you log in, you see this page. Once you see this page, go to SMS, dynamic SMS. The route will be transactional, and sender ID, you can see it here, and file, and it should be desktop, and it is test12.csv file which you were created before. Message type will be text, and you don't need to create anything, and you can see template here itself, and income tax due, whatever it may be. And finally you see here where, so you have to start from curly braces, and you can end with curly braces and B column, and the second one will be C, and the other one will be D. So make sure the space and all should not get deleted, otherwise if any small space will get deleted, and the messages will not get sent to the receiver. And one more thing is, you have to make sure it will be in the correct order. And finally, if it is more than 160 characters, there will be 2 SMS will get delivered. And once you see all of them, just you click on preview, and you can always ignore the first one, then because the first one it will not send. Why? Because it's just a number. And after that you can see all the names. For sample you can see only 2. And finally send message and click OK, and that's it. It will take 5 minutes, and then you will see the receivers will get messages in 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. The messages are delivered, and this is the first message which I got in my mobile, and just I have taken snipping tool, and just I have taken the screenshot. Let me give you the other one, and this is my another mobile, and you see here. So these are the two messages which I got from this. So I have these two are my mobile numbers, so I can see 123 100 rupees. So I am looking at this one now, 100. So 101 is here, and what is the CP ITO MTM, and you can see. So the sender ID is ITO MTM. So from the same sender ID, the receiver will receive the messages. Hope this will be very simple, and you see the other one. This is 123. This is 1239741. So this is my number, and 123, and the name I have taken is Pooja. So this is how it works. So I hope this video will clear everything. Thank you for watching.